Good morning, guys. Today we're continuing work on the Cougar House Fab coilovers for the Silverado solid axle swap here. We got most of them fabricated, well, cut out and fabricated in the last episode. So today we'll finish welding that together, and then we'll move on to designing up the passenger side coilover mount. So let's get started, guys.
For me to stay, but do you have what it takes to set me free? Do you mean it when you say you can count on me? Count on me. Quiet like the ocean, oh, your treasure hidden down below. As silent as it come, I know. Should I be scared if you stay or go? Tell me, am I insecure? Just overly emotional. Have I fallen down, down low? Searching for things I'll never know. Searching for things you'll never show. I guess I just don't wanna let go. But something tells me not to wait no more. So you got secrets. Smiles, and you know how to spin it around, to run and forget.
designed it to be.
Would you just look at that?
Something perfect again I made. Just saying. Did it again. Alright guys, so now that we got that in there, now we just gotta kind of position it to where it needs to go, and then we'll tack it on, and then we'll move on to the passenger side. We got that upper coilover bucket on, we can install the lower one, tack it on, and then we'll move on to the other side now. So let's do this, boys. Alright guys, that completes the driver's side Cougar House Fab coilover tower, completed on the 8 Sacred Paths Silverado straight axle project here. They turned out perfect because we made them. No big deal or anything. Just saying. So tomorrow guys, we'll move on to designing up the passenger side in the engineering PC. We just gotta make a few different pieces because the passenger side of the frame is totally unique to the driver's side of the frame. That's why we had to weld these onto the frame instead of through bolting them so we could powder coat them to match everything else. But that's alright. When you have a uniquely shaped frame like this on either side, it's kind of what you have to do. So in our next episode here guys, like I was saying, we'll move on to designing them up, cutting out some parts, and welding up the passenger side coilover tower. So join us then guys. You know, we're all done with the driver's side now, so that feels super good. You know, if you guys like Cougar House Garage, like what we do, please check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Please check us out at Facebook.com/Cougar House Garage. And then we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram. Follow along with all the crazy projects there. And thank you guys for all your constant support as always. And you know, to all the new subscribers and stuff, please hit the bell up there so that way you guys get a notification every time I upload. And if you guys are interested in a Cougar House Fab 4-link kit for your Chevy, Ford, or Dodge, hit us up guys. Alright, we'll catch you tomorrow.